Forest Rain by Jacobsen. Such a delightful, frightful rain, streaking the sky with sign and stain, the earth with 1,000 streams, the glittering sphere of a raindrop cold, hurled down in a prank so bold, shatters to droplets 1,000-fold. Drops breaking up, together they merge, pin-sized waves they mightily surge, covering all with a depthless sea. Dusty fences it properly washes, onto the heads of tree-tops it splashes, running cold down the backs of trunks. Rows of knock-kneed willows take sips, profoundly happy they lick their lips. With thousands of pointed tongues, the bindweeds drink in the luscious water. Turning around,